Here's a quick guide explaining why your iPhone won't unlock with Face ID when you tap the lock screen or swipe up from the bottom to unlock using Face ID or a passcode. The first solution is to check the tap or swipe to wake settings. Go to the Settings app on iPhone, scroll a little, and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll again and find Tap or Swipe to Wake, then enable the toggle. If this toggle is already on, turn it off and then turn it back on again. It may be stuck. Now check how it works. If it's still not working, force restart your iPhone and see if the problem is fixed. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen after the black screen. After that, check if the issue is fixed. Still not responding? Then try resetting all settings. Open the Settings app, scroll a little, and tap on General. Again, scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and then tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and confirm it. That's it. Wait for your iPhone to reboot. In this step, your iPhone will return to its default settings. You'll need to set up Face ID and the passcode again. If nothing works, your device likely has a touchscreen hardware issue. Please contact Apple support to get a free repair or replacement under warranty. Watch my separate tutorial linked in the video description and pinned comment. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for updates on new free tech guide videos.